The GitHub Copilot app has been our opportunity to rebuild and reimagine GitHub from the ground up in an agent-first way. 6 a.m., crack open my laptop, wake it up, I go make the pot of coffee. By that time, my daily jobs are done, and then I review the output of all of them. Over here, you can see I have all of this stuff, lots of different issue triage workflows, but my favorite one is this morning brief. Right from the get-go, I have this list of stuff that I can go and look at, a concise summary, the top 5 things I need to go get done today. Right here, I'm seeing a bug. I'm going to actually go and crack that open inside of a session and make sure that the engineer who opened the PR is unblocked, ready to go by the time he gets online. As soon as we launched, the volume of communication that's coming in has been impossible for me to keep up with. I'm in Teams, I'm in Outlook, I'm in Slack. I have so many different communication channels to manage that it's really hard to stay on top of. Rather than having to read through 100 messages and figure out which are the 10 that are really high priority for me to stay on top of, a couple of times a day, I can have this WorkIQ MCP server workflow run, produce a report for me. It's already filtered down to the highest priority stuff. The GitHub Copilot app feels like I'm partnering with agents instead of chasing them. Through these workflows, I can describe how I want to work, help it sift through all of the noise and only surface the things to me that really need my attention. The GitHub Copilot app has brought the joy back to work for me.